Welcome to your channel Campo Respuestas in English. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your language on Windows 10 from English to Spanish or any other language. I'm gonna teach you in an easy way and step by step. Okay, let's go and start now. The first thing that we have to do is just go on the start button and click in there. Then go to the option that looks like a wheel, click in settings. Once it's open the settings windows, we are gonna go to the time and language option. Just click in there. Then we are gonna move on the left side and look for the language option. Click in there. Okay, as we see, we already have the English language here. So we are gonna go to the option that I said add a preferred language and click in there. So in the type a language name, we are gonna type Spanish. But don't forget that you can use any language that you want. Okay, let's go and choose Español. Let's go from Colombia. Just click in there and click next. So then we are gonna tick the option that I said set as my main displays language. Click in there and click install. The installation is gonna take a little while, so we are gonna wait until that one finish, and then we are gonna continue with the video. Okay, that one is close to finish. We are gonna wait a couple of seconds. Okay, once the language is downloading, so we are gonna click in here. When it says settings window display language, we are gonna say no, sign in now later. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna do is make sure that is at the top the Spanish one or the language that we are gonna set up. So just make sure and put the arrow up, and that one means it's gonna leave that one as a default. On the window display language, it's gonna say Español, Colombia, okay, or the language that you want. Okay, so to save the changes, we need to restart the computer. So let's go and proceed to do that one. Just close all the windows that you have. Clicking in the start button, clicking the power button, and let's go to the option restart. Okay. So once the computer restart, you are gonna realize that our Windows 10 operating system is gonna be in Spanish. Okay. Just restart the computer. Okay, guys. Once the computer have restart, so we are gonna check if our operating system is already in Spanish. As we can see here, is already in Spanish, but let's have a check the settings. Just click in the start button and go to the wheel, click in there. As we can see, all the options that we have are in Spanish. As you can realize, this was a very easy video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's quite important for us, and see you on the next time.